Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Robinhood API key. First, navigate to the Robinhood developer portal, which is separate from the main trading platform. You'll need to log in using your existing Robinhood credentials. This portal is where you manage all your API integrations and applications. Make sure your account is fully verified before proceeding, as this is a common requirement for API access. This initial step is crucial for setting up any automated trading strategies or custom tools. Once logged into the developer portal, you'll need to register a new application. Click on the Create New Application button and fill in the required details. You'll be asked for an application name, which should be descriptive, and a redirect URI. This URI is where users will be sent after authorizing your application. Carefully choose the permissions your application needs. Granting too many can pose security risks. Reviewing these settings ensures your application operates securely and effectively. After successfully registering your application, the system will generate your unique client ID and client secret. These are your API credentials, so treat them with extreme care. It's vital to store them in a secure location, like an environment variable or a secure vault, and never hardcode them directly into your public code. Be aware of Robinhood's API rate limits to avoid service interruptions. Adhering to these guidelines helps maintain the security and stability of your integration. With your API key and secret in hand, you can now integrate them into your chosen programming language or platform. Use them to authenticate your requests to the Robinhood API, allowing your application to interact with your account. Always start with small, test requests to ensure everything is working as expected before deploying any significant operations. Remember to check the description for links to other deals and to grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener for your car. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.